Hello and welcome back, my friends traders. This is Caroline Malizane, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Monday, August 29th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart as we always do. So hope you're ready to do some fun here with me with technical analysis. So let's do it. Let's get started. So check this out. We are still continuing to the upside, breaking through all major areas of resistance on their way up. The first one was at the 53.77, which we talked about last week, and the next one was the high of August 17th, which was at the 54.42 mark. And what else do we say here? We said that if we ever break through the 54.42 mark, then this little W formation will be confirmed. And we are breaking through it today. We are closing the day higher, but on a very low volume. Volume is really light here because of all the things happening in New York due to the hurricane Irene that hit New York. So not a lot of people were probably able to make it back to their workstations on New York Stock Exchange. But anyways, it doesn't matter. But the volume here is really light today, so I did not really like any breakouts on low volume. Keep that in mind. But the other thing that is confirming is the MACD. The MACD is pointing higher. It's pointing north. It's breaking through the zero line, entering into a bullish territory. So we are above the zero line on the MACD. So we are in a bullish territory at this point in time with another positive tick. So that's a good sign. That's a nice confirmation of that bullish day today. But again, I did not like any breakouts on low volume, so I'm not really convinced. But does that mean that we are not going to be able to continue to the upside? Absolutely not. But this is my personal thing. I do not like anything on low volume. So that's what we have here today. But what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow, which is really important, is that high of August 17th, which was at the 54.42 mark, which is acting as a significant area of support right now because resistance, once broken, remember, becomes support. So that's what happened here. We're breaking out of it. We're closing the day above it. So it is acting as a significant area of support at this point in time. So that's what we need to look and watch really closely tomorrow, as well as the high of today, which was at the 54.67 mark. And then if we ever break through the high of today and through the high of August 17th, then we could continue higher. But first of all, we'll have to not only break through it, but also close above it. So that's what needs to happen. Once we do that, then we could head higher all the way up to that next area of resistance on your way up here, the 55.31 mark, and the next major one would be up here at the 55.84 mark. So that's all major areas of resistance. But if we do ever get a little bit of a pullback, at least to the high, to the close of Friday, August 26th, which was at the 53.13 mark. Why to the close? Because if we ever get down here, we would nicely fill that little gap right here between Friday and today. So that would be a really nice gap fill. So we could head all the way down here to the 53.13 mark, or if we ever get lower, we could hit the 8 moving average, which is sitting at the 51.97, and then we could continue to the upside, breaking through all major areas of resistance on our way up. So that is all that I see here on this chart today. Hope you liked it and it helps you. So enjoy your afternoon, evening, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.